A light, flavorful, and crispy snack that can also be so healthy. Ito siya. Okra Pops. Let's start cooking. So we are cooking our okra. Ito siya. Okra cut into pieces. And a lot of people don't like okra kasi it can be slimy, di ba? So I have my onions here. Minced onions. I will have garlic, minced garlic. And I will add here my flour combined with cornstarch. Pangpalasa ko, I have curry powder. Yan. Salt. And we're using a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I will just add water. No? So we're making like a light batter mixture. And I will just toss in my okra. Ayaw nyo ba ng okra? Pero once you try this, masarap to with suka. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. So yung baking soda, we let it crisp up yung ating batter. And also, ang effect niya, it will brown easily. So maganda yung kulay niya. And let's fry. So you can do this aside from okra. Pwede naman sa cauliflower, carrots, talong, di ba? So ito pwede din siya, no? After doing this, you can like dust it with mga powder, mga barbecue, di ba? So instead of your ordinary snacks, ito na siya. Sour cream. Ganda ng kulay, oh. Look at that. Before adding our next batch, I will make my dipping sauce. Ito lang siya. Mayonnaise or yogurt. Salt, garlic, minced garlic, ito yung masarap niya. And a little bit of lemon or vinegar. And let's taste it with our dipping sauce. Pwede. Di ba kakaiba? Try nyo yung ating okra recipe. Sobrang simple at healthy pa. Okra Pops, simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!